Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. We have completed two chapters of your maths book. So, today in this session, we are starting chapter number 3, Roman numerals. Roman numbers are new to you. Okay, so get it carefully, understand it carefully. You know the numbers or counting started from 0, but sometimes we use Roman numbers to show them. See, the numbers started from 0 to 9, and Roman numbers are 1 and 5. We denote 1 by this and 5 by V. You might have seen these on clock faces or on the sign outside a classroom. In your school, you have seen that outside the class first it is written first, class second it is written second, third it is written third, fourth it is written fourth, and five it is written five. So these are the Roman numbers which denote the numbers. Now, which numbers we show by Roman numbers and how we write Roman numbers, that we have to learn. Okay? See, now Roman numbers are given here and the values are also given here. 1 is denoted by I, 5 is denoted by V, 10 is denoted by X, 50 is denoted by L, 100 is denoted by C, 500 is denoted by D, and 1000 is denoted by M. Okay? To form number with these numerals, we have to follow certain rules, that how to write the Roman numbers. Now, move to next part. To form larger numbers, 1, 10, 100 and 500 can be repeated up to 3 times only. Suppose we write it 1 by this, and if we have to write 2, so we will do like this. If we have to write 3, we will write down 3 by 3 numbers, and if we have to write 20, we write down this. Okay, now if we have to write down 6, 7, then how we can write it? See, this is 6, we write down 5 and then plus 1, that will equals to 6. So after 5 we write 1 and then it will become equals to 6. If we have to write down 11, 10 plus 1, 11. So after 10 we write down 1 and it will become 11. 10, 15, 10 plus 5, 15. So 10 and then 5. Like this we write down the numbers. Now a smaller number gets subtracted from the greater number on its left. Now if we have to write the number that is just smaller than the particular Roman number, so if we have to write down 4, so what we have to do? See, 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So as we write 5, before 5 we have to write down 1, which denotes that it is 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. Suppose look here, 50 is denoted by L, and if we have to write down 40, it means we have to subtract 10 from 50. And how we subtract 10? We write down 50 and before 50 we write down X, that is 10, and then we will get 40. Now a smaller number between two great numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. See, this is 10, then 1 and 5. So 10 plus 5 on the right side and on the left side. These two numbers are there and in between 1 is there. So what we do, this 10 and 5 is getting added and the middle number or between number is getting subtracted. See, 10 plus 5, 15 minus 1 equals to 14. Like this, we write down the Roman numbers. Now, here 1 to 20 Roman numbers are shown, that how we have to write down the 1 to 20 Roman numbers. Okay. Now, come to the exercise. Exercise 3A. Write the numbers shown by the Roman numbers. In question number 1, part A, Roman numbers are given and we have to write down the numbers against them. See, this is 1, this is 5, this is 10, this is 50, this is 100, this is 500, and M is 1000. Now part B, this is 2, 3, 20, this is 30, CC. CC is 1C means 100 and it is CC, it means it is 200 and this is 300. Now part C, this is 4, 9, 10, 1, 5. It means this is 10 plus 4. This is 4. Okay, so this is 14, 19, 24, 29. Now come to part D. It is 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13. It is 16, it is 21, it is 25. Okay. Now question number 2. This is reverse of question number 1. Write using Roman numbers. Now countings are given and against that we have to write down the Roman number. Okay. So how we will write it? Let's see. It is 3. We denote 1 by 1. So by 3 is denoted by 3i. Okay. Now it is 4. It is 1. It is 2. 9 is denoted like this. This is 10. This is 11. This is 10 and 15. This is 10. 1, 2, 3. And 16 is like this. Okay. Like this we do the B part also. Okay. Now question number 3. Write 1 to 20 using Roman numbers. We have to write down the Roman numbers from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here we will write down 11. And you have to fill these blanks and at last we will write down 20. Okay, are you getting? Now come to question number 4. See, question number 4 we have to write down the time. You know how to write the time, how to see the clock. Now see, first one is done. The smaller needle is at 2 and the bigger needle or greater needle is at 12. So it is 2 o'clock. Okay, now here it is smaller one is at 8 and bigger one is at 12. So this is 8 o'clock. This is 3:30. This is 10:30. And this is 4:30. Okay, so here exercise 3A get completed. And in the next session, we will start the next part. Thank you. Goodbye.